afternoon, welcome to my vlog. Anyway, uh, I'm not so busy today, that's why I have time to read. I'm also, but I'm sleepy. I don't want to sleep because I'm struggling to sleep at night. If I sleep in the afternoon while reading, I'm gonna read the Bible. I have something to share about what the DMW or OWA, about the salary of the OFW. What I observed this time, like me, my experience in being an OFW is almost 18 years. I'm working in UAE for 18 years. This coming September, I'll be 18 years here in UAE. Working in UAE. Instead of my salary is became higher, it will goes down. Depleting instead of increasing. I don't know if what they announce in OWA or DMW is true, that the OFW hire on new contract will be a higher salary. For my experience, I check all the company hiring for a new workers employee in any kind of like land-based OFW. The salary, the amount of the salary that's my salary 10 years ago. That's the amount they offer when they hire someone. And then they want to hire the people who is already here in this country. Instead of higher salary, they offer higher salary. They offer the salary that is 10 years ago salary. My salary 10 years ago. That's why I'm thinking, because my contract will finish this August. This coming August. How many months from now? I try also to apply in Europe. Because of my age, my application always decline. Because I did not know someone to sponsor me going to Europe. I tried to apply in the agency or in the online application, but because of my age, they decline my application. But I'm still praying and hoping that God will, and I believe that if it's the will of God, it will gonna happen. Like what happened when I first come here in UAE. I did not apply work, but somebody getting me in the Philippines, bring me here to work with their family. That's the first time I come here. I only have visit visa and the airline ticket. And by the grace of God, maybe that's the will of God that I was able to work here. I believe that if it is the will of God, it will gonna happen. Whatever it is, I'm still praying and hoping what God planned for my life. Let His will be done anyway. That's all, guys, and happy Wednesday. The weather outside is very hot. Look at the sun. I'm here inside the room, but the sun outside is very hot. See the sunlight inside the window. That's why, if you stay outside very long, you're gonna have headache, and it's dangerous to have heat stroke anyway. That's why, to avoid heat stroke, we need to stay indoor. That's all, everyone, and happy Wednesday. Have a nice day everyone and enjoy your day. Bye.